Hello guys, welcome to Logic's Hub. Can you solve these questions just in 30 seconds? If you are talented, then solve these questions just in 30 seconds. But if you are student and do not know about this type of question, that how we can solve it, then I can solve this question in this video step by step. If you have new in my channel, then kindly subscribe to my channel for more this type of question. Guys, in this video I can explain PEMDAS rule, also I can explain KCF rule. Both are very necessary for mathematics calculation and mostly people can do not know about these, so I can solve these questions step by step. So guys, our solution is firstly guys, I can write this in this form: parentheses minus 2 plus 2 times 5 close parentheses divided by 2. Now again guys, in next step we can know about PEMDAS rule, where P stand for parentheses, E stand for exponent, M stand for multiplication, D stand for division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. Guys, remember that parentheses have higher priority than other operation like multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Also remember that guys, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction have equal priority and we have to from left to right. But guys, also remember that multiplication and division have higher priority than addition and subtraction. So in this expression, firstly we can solve parentheses, because in PEMDAS now I can explain to you that parentheses have higher priority than other operation. So in parentheses, firstly we can solve multiplication, because multiplication have higher priority than addition and subtraction. So firstly I can solve multiplication. So minus 2 plus 2 times 5, which is equal to 10, divided by 2. Now here minus 2 plus 10, which is equal to 8, divided by 2. 8 divided by 2, guys, finally equal to 4. This is the final answer of this expression. Guys, if anywhere you can face an issue, then comment, I will reply your question, and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more this type of in mathematics question. And thanks a lot again.